Morning, trading family. We are jumping into the crypto space. Wonderful Doge. Good old Elon Musk created the Doge department. Anyways, are you on the trend? Are you not on the trend? Is this just a meme coin, or is there more to it than this meme coin actually portrays? I'm not too sure, but I do know technicals. I do know what I see, and I do know that we are going up when it comes to Doge. Now, we're going to jump over to the monthly or the weekly. Let's go to weekly, and let's get some levels figured out here, right? On where are we going? Let's go to monthly. Whenever here's a tip of the day. Whenever you're struggling to figure out where the market is going or what the market is doing, go to a bigger time frame. So example, if you're like, hey, this I don't even know if it's up, down, side, around, this is a mess, take one frame out. My approach, quite simply, is my biggest frame is monthly. My next frame down is weekly. My next frame down is daily. My next frame down is 4 hour. My next frame down is 30-minute. My next frame down is 5 minute, and then 1 minute. So that's all my frames that I use on one chart, whether that be in forex, crypto, or um, you know stocks. So overall, let's jump over to the monthly. Enough with the babble, and let's get some results. Right? We're all about results here, aren't we? So let's look at here. The first step that I normally do, the first step of the process, is always making a projection. And our first level was there, which, funny enough, it hit here. Why am I not surprised? Because a projection tool that I use works, and it's been working for many years now. So over the last 15 plus years, I think as long as humans stay the same or as we are, then I don't think we're going to have any issues whatsoever. But anyways, we have a level at 50 cents. We have another level at 62 cents. Then just before we try to go to that wick, we have another level at 83 cents. And then the big kahuna, how far, how high is this bad boy going based on the monthly, based on the data provided, right? Like I said, this market can push up way past that into zones that we don't even know of. And so, but right now, $1.42 is the maximum that I could see this market pushing up to at this present time. Until more data is present, then I will be able to give you more information. But $1.42 is where I could see us going to. Now, let's get into a weekly. I'm not going to get into the whole full deep analysis with you, but I will try and do a decent quick one where it gives you a good frame on where we're going, what resistance and support levels to look for, and so how you can become a better and more effective trader. And honestly, I don't like any of these zones here. They're pretty polite, my friend, shit. And maybe I'm not allowed to say that, so I apologize. But yeah, it's not. Normally, we try to find the bottom, we try to find the top, and we try to go that way. If you have a position like that in a pitchfork, don't try to force the chart. What I would do is go into a more present market, and then you'll able to find the data that you're looking for. So example, we couldn't find what we're looking for to a certain level due to parameters. So let's run with this one here, run with this mini one here. It gave us a little bit of what we're looking for, but if we go below here, then as you can see, there are some challenges with this fork. So what I would do, that's probably where I'm going to be. That makes sense to me. And yes, I do have alarms because I am an active trader as well. So like I said, I'm a day trader, swing trader, and I hold for months on end when it comes to trading. So that is the style that I use that works well for me. The one other thing that we'll run here is a Fibonacci retracement. Why? Why not? It can hurt to see any correlations in the market with what you're doing or where you're going. Now that we have our fork or projections and our retracement, out of the many things, out of my wonderful secret tools, we are going to jump over to the daily. You know what? Scrap it. Why not give you the full detail on this analysis on Doge? Because I know there's some Doge lovers out there that are trying to figure out this market's going. So let's. So currently, right now, it's not sitting at a bad spot, Doge. If you just looked, right, and we just looked at how a market is interacting with the lines, it except for that squiggly line that I just made there. My mouse is crap right now. I don't know why. So right now we went through there and then we're busting through these levels here. This is our median line, which is like a strong support level. That's our 61.8. And then now we're going back up above it. We're pushing back above it. And then it's going to be like a W pattern, I guess you could sort of say. And if you looked at that level there, a W pushing up harder probably makes sense to me. But overall, the next level that I could, yeah, it's at 50 cents. My voice, my voice went, is 50 cents. So that's where I'm projecting our first level to get to right now. So from here, I wouldn't be surprised if we get to the 50-cent range. We see some type of correction, whether it may be back to here or shorter, right? It could be shorter. It could be a little short one here on 45 cents and then pushes back up, or we go deeper as such accordingly. So right now, currently, based on what I see, and I will say this because I am not a prophet in any way or a trading god or whatever that some traders like to call themselves. But if the zone of 30 cents is respected, then I could see going to the 50-cent marker 100%. Now, let's see how we go. 50 cents is what we're going for. And then let's see if we're going to see a short correction, deeper correction. And then from there, we can take that information and start projecting our levels up. Do I see this going above $1? I don't see why not. Well, Trump and Doge is being created. Trump is pro crypto, as I know, based on what I know so far. And then on top of that, Elon Musk is Trump's best friend. So I think Doge is in a very good position right now, moving forward. And 50 cents is probably what I would say is a good, decent marker for this run. And then from there, let's see a correction of some nature, short or large, or the market can just boulder through the 50 cents and then go to our next level, which is 61 cents. So like I said, is right now currently it's 50 cents is the marker. However, we can boulder through to 60 cents or 61 cents. Let's see how this market plays out. I appreciate the time, appreciate the love. If you found this analysis helpful, like, boost, comment, share. And if you're a struggling trader trying to be more sustainable, send me a DM. or go to my profile. More than happy to help. I've been there myself. I was struggling, burnt out. Now here I am, very profitable trader indeed, and overall trading actively each and every day. So much love from my trading desk to yours. I hope you guys get some wins under your belt. Maybe you're in Doge and you needed this as a reflection to figure out what levels to look at, maybe to take profits. Maybe you're not in Doge and you're going, hey, if it goes to 50 cents, maybe look for a correction and then go from there. Or maybe get in right now, run it to 50 cents. It's a 13-cent game. That's not bad. And then from there, jump up. Like I said, more than happy to help. Any questions, send me a DM or jump to the profile. Love you guys, much, and gals, and much love from Canada. Take care, and I'll see you on Friday.